you for last contingent, Digos City National High School! Once again, this is Digos City National High School Marching Band! Daghan kaayong salamat to Digos City National High School Marching Band for celebrating the Araw ng Davao here with us.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing the colors, sharing your smiles, sharing your music, your talents, and your skills to all of the people of Davao City, whether right here in San Pedro Square or online on FB Live.
And up next, many more marching bands here to come. Blue Chrome Marching Band, a promising marching band in Davao region specializing in symphonic bands music. Created 6 years ago with only 30 members, composed of dedicated young musicians. They perform in parade sequences, serenades, and concerts. Once again, Blue Chrome Marching Band! All right, Blue Chrome Marching Band! Still from Digos City, daghan kaayong salamat for celebrating Araw ng Davao with us. All the way from Digos to Davao City to show their support, to show their stance, efforts, and smiles and performances. Thank you so much, Digos City! Wow, lahira po dyan ang celebration sa Araw ng Davao. Kaya ginadayo po dyan ang atong mga sili.
Yes, so diba, kanina we had a bao-bao from Davao de Oro.
Yes.
Now we have our contingent from Digos City.
Alright, once again, we are still looking at our contingent from Digos City. Daghan kaayong salamat.
And of course,